Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. So silver has again rallied out of our support areas. It so far generated a few very interesting trades for anybody who used this support area to scale in. Essentially, that's what these areas can be, areas where you could scale in and then just take profits when the market makes money available, makes those profits available. Because even if, for example, the wave count is not correct in the end, you typically see reactions to these support areas. These reactions can be used to, for example, adjust a stop loss, take partial profits, things like that, close positions, maybe even in profit. And that's typically what they are, what you can do while scaling in. It rarely happens that price just blasts through support. It of course happens, but it rarely happens. Now, lots of questions. We need an update about silver. Is this already the aggressive third wave to the upside that we've been waiting for? Not really, probably not. And you can clearly see on the chart why, because something fishy is going on. Even though, again, the support area worked nicely, everything good, nothing's been invalidated, everything's good, but we always need to adjust our view based on the latest market structure. And anybody who's new on the channel, so what we've been waiting for sort of is here, this wave one, and then an A, B, C structure to the downside with a potential third wave rally unfolding. Okay, this would be very bullish, very aggressive, could take it above $30. Now, something is fishy, and what is that? It's this movement to the downside. Even though price reacted in a nice way to support, I only have 3 waves down. With 3 waves down, I cannot count this as a C wave of wave 2. Now you could argue, all right, make it a WXY structure. Yeah, okay, which is possible. So anybody who's not familiar with it, a WXY structure is a structure where the wave W has 3 waves, the wave X has 3, and the wave Y as well. But this here is actually a 5-wave move. So I'm not so happy counting it like that. Also, the metals rarely produce WXY structures. So for me, you see what kind of detailed stuff we are looking at in the analysis. While this could be the third wave, I'm not convinced yet. With the latest move down, which is only in 3 waves, I would rather make an adjustment to the chart, to be honest. I think we might only, and let me take those subwaves out here. I think we might only deal with possibly an extension of the B wave. I know it's frustrating, but I think that is what might happen here. It's a bit of a warning as well, because what it means is that this wave 2 never finished. So the good thing is, if I make you aware about this, right, nothing happened because everything is playing out as expected so far, but we can adjust while the market is still doing what we want. Okay, that's pretty cool. So I think we might be dealing with a B wave. And the warning why I think about this is because of this structure to the downside. In an ideal world, I wanted to see A wave here, the B wave top here on the 20th of July, and then the C wave down, but in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is way too large for a 4th wave. So there has to be something else. Best call I can make here is that it's a B wave, because it fits very nicely the subwave structure. If I say this was an A wave of wave B, a B wave is also a 3-wave move. The move down was a B wave again in 3 waves, and we now get an impulsive rally in a C wave of the B wave. So this is what I'm watching for. We have resistance around 25.20, okay, and that last drop could be quite scary. So I'm just want to warn you. And what we still don't know yet is if we indeed have a 1-2-1-2 setup, or if this is all of wave 1. So that means that essentially when we go up a little higher, I would encourage everybody who entered the position in our pullback zone. If you use these, I can't give you financial advice. I can only tell you where according to my view, according to our analysis, price is going to turn around. And if anybody used this to scale into positions, I can just encourage you to adjust your stop loss into profit, because it would be significantly in profit. And then just be prepared just in case it comes down in this C wave. And again, I'm not entirely sure at this stage if this is a 1-2-1-2 setup. If all of this was wave 1, well, then we could come down in quite a significant drop to maybe, I don't know, $19, you know, $18 maybe. So pay attention to that. So I'm still overall leading bullish, which I always do when there is some opportunity in the metals market, because they can rally very aggressively. But I'm just highlighting here the risk of a C wave. Now, if we take the Fibonacci extensions, take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave, then yeah, a key target, the first target here for that C wave that is really relevant. So it's already reacted to the 61.8 extension level. That is the very first and early target for a C wave. Normally, I would like it to reach at least the 1-to-1 ratio at $25.40. Pay attention to that level when we get close to that A wave high. So that's going to be interesting. However, if we break above this wave 1 high at $26.14, then I think the wave 2 already finished and we are already in the third wave rally. That's my update about silver. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.